How to build your own wooden pallet shelf. Welcome to Easy Craft Ideas by Elina. Today, I'm going to show you how to build your very own wooden pallet shelf, a simple, eco-friendly DIY project perfect for your home. First, gather your materials: a wooden pallet, a hammer, nails or screws, a saw, sandpaper, a drill, a tape measure, and a safety gear like gloves and glasses. Step 1. Disassemble the pallet. Carefully remove the slats from the pallet using a hammer and pry bar. Separate the wood blocks and set aside any usable planks. Step 2. Cut the pieces. Measure and cut the pallet pieces for the shelf frame. Cut long planks for the sides and shorter boards for your shelves. Use a jigsaw or saw. Step 3. Assemble the frame. Start assembling by forming the vertical frame first. Use screws or nails to fix the boards together to make the skeleton of your shelf. Step 4. Attach the shelves. Now place the shelf boards horizontally inside the frame. Secure them with screws so they become strong and stable. Step 5. Sanding and finishing. Sand all surfaces gently to smooth out rough edges. After sanding, wipe the wood clean and apply a finish, stain, paint, or varnish as you like. Step 6. Mounting. Placement. Choose where to place your shelf. You can fix it to a wall or simply stand it in a corner. Make sure it's level. Tips and safety. Always wear gloves and eye protection while working. Pre-drill holes to avoid splitting the wood, and check for nails in reused pallet planks. That's it, your self-made pallet shelf is ready. If you enjoyed this DIY project, please like, comment, and subscribe to Easy Craft Ideas by Elina for more eco-friendly crafts.